In the African wilderness, power isn't just claimed, it's defended. Hyenas move in packs, tactical, relentless, but lions are born to lead. These are 20 rare moments when the Lion King stood tall against overwhelming odds. Stay with us to witness the raw balance of power between Africa's most iconic rivals. Lion versus hyena, power, strategy, survival. 20 times lions fought back against hyenas, nature's fiercest rivalry. Night falls over the African savanna. Darkness brings no peace, only the signal for a ruthless confrontation. Beneath the pale moonlight, a clan of hyenas creeps forward, numerous, aggressive, and emboldened. Their high-pitched whoops tear through the silence, a challenge hurled at the reigning monarch. But the male lion does not retreat. With eyes evolved for night hunting, 6 times larger than a human's, and equipped with a reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum. He sees every movement, even in the faintest silver glow. Without warning, he charges into the circle. Chaos erupts, wild, brutal, yet chillingly precise. But tonight, resolve outweighs numbers. As dawn approaches, one hyena lies motionless, left behind, unable to keep up with the pack. A harsh ending, yet one entirely expected. In a world where every move is shaped by the hand of evolution. On Africa's unforgiving grasslands, death doesn't always come from the hunt. Sometimes it comes from greed. A hyena, nature's master opportunist, creeps in to steal a lion pride's hard-earned meal. But today it miscalculates. A full-grown male lion, weighing over 400 pounds, responds in an instant with a precise, lethal pounce. No mercy, no escape. In the wild, survival isn't just about speed or cunning. It's about knowing who holds the true power. And for this hyena, one wrong decision became a fatal one. On the African plains, a full-grown male lion with a bite force of 650 pounds per square inch is cornered by a clan of spotted hyenas. Smaller in size, but not in strategy, the hyenas boast an even greater bite, over 1,100 psi, and the power of overwhelming numbers.
He's trapped, but...
They're bold enough to steal kills and even threaten apex predators. The lion stands its ground, but the odds are shifting. He roars, a deep frequency call that can travel over 5 miles, a summons for help. Moments later, an ally arrives, charging in to shatter the siege. In nature, individual strength is never enough. It's the call at the right time and unity that allows kings to keep their crown. lion, not yet old enough to rule, is cornered. Surrounding him is a clan of hyenas, opportunistic predators known for their bold pack tactics. Lacking the experience to stand his ground, he's forced to fight back, driven by sheer survival instinct. Each roar serves as both a warning and a call for help. At this age, a lion cannot hold territory alone. But if his kin hear the cry, hope remains. In the wild, where life is fragile by the second, personal strength is never enough. Sometimes survival comes from connection and a stroke of luck. As dusk settles over the savannah, a lone adult lion, aged and battle-hardened, stands surrounded by nearly 30 ravenous hyenas. They edge closer, taunting him, trying to wear down the king's strength. Outnumbered, the hyenas are confident, but they have miscalculated. This is no inexperienced lion. It's a veteran of countless battles. With a lightning-fast counterattack, one hyena falls. More than a warning, it's the line between boldness and the cost of underestimating an apex predator. In nature, aggression must always be accompanied by a keen awareness of the opponent. A sudden ambush. A lion seizes a lone hyena. In the wild, this usually marks the end, but hyenas thrive on unity. Within seconds, the clan rushes in, snarling, biting, attacking from every angle. It's not just a dramatic moment, it's a testament to the survival strategy of nature's scavenging masters. In the wild, collective strength can tip the balance between life and death, even against the most dangerous of hunters. Even a powerful lion knows this kill isn't worth dying for. He lets go. The hyena escapes. On a dry, barren field, a pride of lions feasts on the spoils of a successful hunt. But peace never lasts long in the wild. From a distance, shadows approach, an advancing clan of hyenas, bold and alert. Drawn by the scent of flesh and the sounds of a struggle, they close in. The lions respond fiercely, chasing down intruders, driving some back. Yet hyenas are not easily broken. They move in rhythm, persistently, applying pressure with each step. As momentum shifts, the lions begin to lose ground. Reluctantly, they retreat, surrendering the battlefield. Once again, nature reminds us, unity and persistence can sometimes overpower sheer brute strength. On the open plains, a lioness has just brought down prey after a long chase. But before she can rest, unwelcome guests arrive. Hyenas, ever watchful, seize the chance to overwhelm her and steal the kill. Alone, she retreats. But then, the tides shift. From afar, a male lion approaches. No roar, no charge, just a commanding walk. In moments, the hyenas scatter. In the wild, sometimes it only takes a single presence to turn the balance. A powerful reminder of the natural order and the weight of strength in maintaining it. A clan of hyenas carelessly wanders into the hunting grounds of the Majingilane lions, territorial rulers of this land for years. Lions usually avoid conflict with hyenas unless provoked. But this day, the line is crossed. From the tall grass, a male lion launches. Within seconds, one hyena lies still. No roar, no chase, just a cold, deliberate warning. In the wild, sometimes a single life is lost, just to remind all others, boundaries are not meant to be tested.
And make a formidable team.
Sometimes the battleground isn't out in the open. It begins deep beneath the earth. A male lion walks silently across a sunken patch of land where the scent of hyenas still lingers. Nearby, a den.
From a lion's brutal perspective, they are too few.
Hyenas often dig breeding dens in dry, well-ventilated soil. Inside, helpless cubs, eyes still shut, represent the future of the clan. But for the lion, these future rivals are a threat waiting to grow. This isn't hunger. It's strategy, eliminating competition before it arises. With a keen nose, the lion locates the den, digs, and destroys. As brutal as it seems, this act is part of nature's survival race, neutralizing threats, preserving dominance. It's instinct, not hatred.
Only the scavengers are left
No pride, no strength to hunt, no crown to defend. Hyenas sense her weakness. They close in like silent shadows. Outnumbered, they know the moment is theirs. Creatures capable of running 37 miles per hour with ruthless coordination. She doesn't fight to the end. She turns. She flees. A final choice driven by dignity and the last spark of survival instinct. In the wild, the line between predator and prey is always blurred. Hyenas, bold, relentless and tactical, dare to test even the most formidable creatures. But lions, through strength, unity, and innate resilience, continue to reign. Not because they win every battle, but because they know when to rise and never back down when challenged. Nature doesn't pick sides. It favors those smart enough and tough enough to endure. Which moment in this video made you admire lions the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you love real, raw stories from the wild, subscribe now so you never miss the next adventure.